In this video, I'm going to show you how to move a person from any photo using Snapseed. So make sure Snapseed has been downloaded to your phone. So this is an example of the photo, and this is the person that you want to remove from this picture. So all you have to do is to go to the tools and tap double exposure, and then tap this second icon or tap again the picture that you have chosen. And then all you have to do is just to shadow that second picture from the first picture that you have entered. So something like that. And the opacity of the second picture, let's put it in 100%. And then all you have to do is go to that button on the upper part wherein you can view the edits. So tap on the brush of the double exposure, and you can now gently or start brushing that picture or that man or that person on that photo. So as you can see, we can see some artifacts, but don't worry, we will be able to erase that later on and make it clean. So just continue doing that, and let's add some rocks over here to have that clean editing, and then you will be given this result. So as you can see, the person is no longer in that picture. And then for us to remove some artifacts left, then go back again to tools, tap on tools again, and then click the healing brush for us to remove some artifacts left, the minimal cleaning. And then once you're done cleaning some artifacts in there, it will give you this result. So the person is no longer there in the picture, and we added some rocks on compared from the first picture, so before and then after. So once you're done, you can save that picture, and that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and you can try it on your own. Thanks for watching.